No. Hey guys, what's up, man? Today I'm making a ghost video. Maybe. This is the weirdest part when I was a little kid. The door was opening. The closet was opening all night. It kept open. It just kept open. I was scared at night. Yeah, so today I'm just looking around. Because there's nothing there. Whatever. Whatever. Yeah. So yeah, it's not that. No. Oh my god. It was me. Anyway. So what am I talking to? Doll? Doll or something? Spooky dolls? Nah. That was okay, never mind. This is the spooky doll that I know. It's scary. Scary. Probably can't see it. Yeah, you can't see. Hold on. You can't see it. Shadow. But anyway. This is a doll. I don't know if she's haunted or not. Bro, I'm scared right now. Cause I'm not home alone. I'm just scared of the dark. And I'm not going to look in the bed, under the bed, cause you know what might happen. Nothing. Okay, so yeah, there is nothing there. Nothing. I'm kind of scared right now. So, I'm going to ask the doll something. Okay, I gotta pause the video. So yeah, I'm going to talk to a doll. Something is spooky. Why my camera? Every day my camera blurry. Okay. So this, as you can see, her name is Savannah. Savannah haunted doll that I make. So how was your day? Bro. Okay. I'm not making a video, guys. Swear. I don't know what the heck. I'm done. So basically, this, I think, I don't know. So basically, they appeared right here. And I look, and it's freaky. And, okay, this one was right here. And the other one is right. This gotta be haunted. And I think it made a noise. These gotta be haunted. I don't know. I have no idea. But these got to be haunted. Swear. That's creepy. So I'm going to upload this if they appear somewhere over there. And I don't know why. I don't know why it fell. That's just creepy. Kinda creepy, okay. Bye.